Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session, let me show you step by step how you can apply for your YouTube channel monetization. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube channel page, and once you open your YouTube channel, you need to click on top right side icon of your channel, and once you click on that icon, you will see that YouTube Studio, and you need to click on this YouTube Studio. So as soon as you click on that YouTube Studio, that dashboard page will open for that YouTube Studio dashboard page, and from this left navigation menu, there will be a monetization. Okay, you need to click on that. So it will show the channel monetization criteria. So as soon as you cross 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hours, you will and also you have two-step verification and all verification is enabled, as well as no any community strike on your channel. You will have this apply now button enabled. Before that, this will not display, and you will get you will see like you will get notification, email notification once you fulfill this criteria. So you should see those options, and you can't see this apply now button. But as soon as you fulfill this all criteria, you can see like this channel is fulfilling all these criteria: 1000 subscriber, 4000 watch hours, and two-step verification on, and no any community strike. So get this apply now button. So after that, you need to just click on this apply now button. As soon as you click on apply now button, you will get few steps. Like first thing, use like review partner program term and condition. So you need to read and agree those partner program term and condition. Okay, so these are kind of like some term and condition relevant to the YouTube YPP program, like YouTube partner program term and condition. So you need to go through this, and once you go through this, you need to accept the term and condition. Okay, and also you need to accept the YouTube partner program term and condition. So as soon as you go through this and approve it, so it will accept it. First step is done to accept the YPP program term and condition. Sorry. So after this term and condition is done, you need to do the second step, that is a Google AdSense. Okay, so you can see like step 1 is done. So review partner program term and condition, that is done and accepted. Now second step is sign up for a Google AdSense, and third step will be Google team will review your channel and they will get back to you. So second step is sign up for a Google AdSense. So we need to link a Google AdSense account with our YouTube channel. Okay, so create a AdSense account or connect an existing account to your channel. You need AdSense account to monetize and get paid. Okay, so let us start on this. So as soon as you click on start, you will get here this option. You will be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. So do you have existing AdSense account? If you have, then you can select yes, otherwise you can say no, I don't have an existing account. Okay, so let me click on no, I don't have an existing account. On the next screen, choose the Google account you want to create AdSense account with. You will be redirected to Google AdSense. Okay, so let me continue. No, I don't have an existing account, so let me continue. So here I am selecting my email address which I want to register for this Google AdSense. So you can see like Google AdSense, I redirect to Google AdSense, and this is I'm giving my email account, and so it will automatically show your YouTube channel URL, your YouTube channel URL, and get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me the customized help and performance suggestion. So you need to just agree on this, like whether you need some suggestion from YouTube side or not, like I mean Google AdSense side or not. So let me click on yes, send me the customized help and performance suggestion, so we can optimize that. select your country or territory. So here I am selecting my country, India. So as soon as I select my country and territory, so that is asked for a term and condition um, uh, approval. So these are the different term and condition we need to go through. And after we go through the term and condition, so all these term and condition are this relevant to AdSense. Okay. So as soon as you go through this different term and condition, you need to accept that. So this will create a account for you, that is for a AdSense account that you already linking with your YouTube channel. Okay. So here it is asking for some information like payment profile. Choose the payment profile that will be associated with this account or a transaction. The payment profile is shared and used across all Google products. Okay, so here are some customer info like account type, individual, or there is a address info, name and address. That will be the this is my address. So let me just cross check those details first. Name and address. So let me update that. You need to enter your name and address correctly. So as soon as you enter your address properly, you need to also account type, that is individual. Okay, and here a payment profile, create a payment profile. You need to select either create payment profile, or you need to select any existing payment profile. Okay, so let me try to check. Let me check payment profile. Choose the payment profile that will be associated with the account or transaction, and payment profile is said used across all Google products. So let me select this individual profile from cloud, and that is profile ID, in account type individual, and name and address. That address and name you need to give. Let me submit that. Redirecting you to YouTube. We are redirecting to YouTube, where you can continue your setup and start using AdSense. Okay, so that is redirect back to the second step. So you can see like now started, that will update it to done or something. So first step, you need to review the term and condition of YouTube partner program, and that should be you need to accept. Second step is like sign up for a Google AdSense, that is in progress. So it will be soon done, I think so, once they review it. Okay, and third step will be not started, but this step will be started by Google. So get reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policy. We will email you a decision usually within a month. This step will be automatically after you complete the first two steps. Okay, so you can see like first two steps done. This second step they will verify and confirm. Okay. So this is just a process we need to take it, and as soon as the Google will do the review, the third step, we will get notified through email whether we are accepted into our channel is get monetized or not, we are accepted into the YouTube partner program or not. Okay, so this is just a few steps we need to follow to apply for a monetization. After applying for YouTube channel monetization, we completed step one. Step two was in progress when we applied for the YouTube channel monetization. So after this applied for a Google AdSense approval, second day itself my Google AdSense get approved, and I get this done status instead of in progress when I was applied for. So second day itself it was status was changed, Google AdSense approval status changed from in progress to done. And then after I just wait for a another one day, and so second day itself, like after within a 3 days, and on third day this was in progress for 3 days. On third day itself I get this email, um, congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. So that they are just informed me on third day itself, like your channel Learn and Grow Every Day has been accepted into the YouTube partner program, and now you are able to monetize on YouTube. So this is third day itself, I get this email and my channel get monetized. And if you go to the YouTube Studio, so now instead of this showing this tab in the monetization menu, it should show now it will allow us to on the ads. Okay, so if I'm going to monetization now, it is giving us a different screen, like instead of this apply steps, now it is giving screen like this, channel monetization. So here we are able to check the different details, and here monetize your video. So you can see, like, congratulations, your channel is now in the YouTube partner program to start make money from ads and YouTube Premier, turn on video monetization. So here we are able to do turn on ads. So here we have different types of ad we are able to select. So review your ad, like at default, this preference will be applied to all feature upload. You can change them at any time in setting upload default monetization. Okay. uh, so here different types of ad you can apply. For now I'm selecting all this ad, location of video ads before and after your video will be enabled automatically. Okay, so during video and all those. So for now I'm keeping this default setting, and I'm doing the next. So here you can see, like, which video do you want to monetize. All of my existing video, so that will go for all, and like all of my existing videos, so that will in that case it will try to apply for all the videos. Manually select video that comply with the uh, so in this case I will choose, so then go to video list. Okay, so that will show here. You can see, like, before your channel get approved for a YPP program, like YouTube partner program, this option was not enabled, this monetization, right? But now this options is coming, and also in analytics it will show, like, your estimated revenue and all those things. Now your channel is monetized, and you are able to turn on this thing on off for a monetization for specific video. If you have any copyright video, then possible, like copyright claim video, and then possible that can't be eligible for monetization. Okay, so this way you are able to turn on ad for all video or a specific video after your channel get monetization. Okay, so hope this video will helpful you, or like after applying my um, Google AdSense approved the next day, and after the on third day my YouTube monetization also get approved, and I get this congratulations email and all those things. And now I'm will going to monetize my video specific video. Okay, so you can do all videos as well as specific video ads on, so your revenue will start accordingly. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you so much.